Look at this, weeds gone in just hours, and I didn't use a single drop of toxic chemicals. I'll never buy those dangerous weed killers again. We've all battled them, those stubborn, uninvited guests in our gardens. Weeds. They're not just ugly, they're fighters. They steal water, nutrients, and sunlight from our plants. They crack concrete, ruin our lawns, and no matter how hard you pull, a tiny root remains, ready to bounce back even stronger. And worse, pulling weeds can actually spread their seeds. That's why more and more gardeners are turning to organic solutions. Natural herbicides that are safe for our soil, our pets, and ourselves. And today I'll show you how to make a cheap, powerful, and completely non-toxic weed killer with ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Start with 200 milliliters of lemon juice mixed with 250 milliliters of water. The citric acid breaks down plant cells, drying the leaves fast. It works best on young weeds, especially in direct sunlight. Don't have lemon juice? Vinegar works just as well. Next, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt draws out moisture, disrupts nutrients, and dries the weed right down to the root. It's great for cracks in the driveway or between patio stones. But remember, never pour salt or vinegar directly into soil, or you could damage the ground for good. Now add a splash of organic soap. This helps the mixture stick to the weed's waxy leaves, breaking down their defenses so the ingredients penetrate deeper. It also helps the spray spread evenly and stay on longer. And here's the secret weapon. Half a tablespoon of cinnamon. It has antibacterial and antifungal powers, stops mold and fungus, and even repels insects like mosquitoes. Plus, it slows down weed regrowth, keeping your garden healthier, longer. Strain the mixture and pour it into a spray bottle. Then spray weeds during the hottest, sunniest part of the day. That's when this formula works its magic. Just a few hours later, look at this. Completely dried up. No chemicals, no toxins, no harm to your garden. This simple recipe has saved me time, money, and frustration. I hope it helps you too. Tell me in the comments where you're watching from, and let's share more gardening hacks together. Thanks for your support, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to get rid of garden pests with Dawn dish soap.